Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
We put a little video together, a little bonus video together, to show you guys how I decorated my table this year for Thanksgiving. And to let you guys know that we really do appreciate every one of you.
Oh, definitely. All of this love and support has been incredible. Thank you.
So if you see anything in this video that you really like, go ahead and take it. I mean, that's what it's all about, is family. We share everything with everyone, right?
Oh, of course. Family is the most important thing, and sharing is at the top of the list. We know that as sisters, right?
This year, I stuck with my golds and coppers because I really liked it from last year. But last year, I had gotten a real pumpkin and put it in the middle of the table. But I was a little bit too late this year and they had no more pumpkins left, so I had to think of something else. And I think I did pretty well. It's really cute.
Oh, yeah. Your table is just gorgeous, Maria. I love it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, and I just love all the leaves, and they look much better than my dried up ones.
And they've lasted me a lot longer, too.
Oh, I'm sure.
Here are our frames, which I think turned out really well with the whole scheme of this Thanksgiving. And the popcorn kernels inside the candle holders, I actually got from my mom. So she passed that to me, and now I'm passing it on to you guys.
Oh, that's right. That was a wonderful thing.
And one of my favorite memories of Thanksgiving is coming downstairs and seeing my mom in her Christmas apron that she made because she would sew all the time. And she would have Christmas music on and she'd be preparing the turkey. And it was the one holiday that we got to stay home. We didn't have to go anywhere.
Oh, I know. It was so much fun, really relaxing. Just enjoyed being together. And the yummy food.
So I hope you guys have a safe Thanksgiving. Thanks for watching.
Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you. Bye.